My friends, I just wanted to tell you about a couple of new things I've got on the go along with my YouTube channel right here. The first thing is that I've been wondering what I do with all the photos and the vertical videos that I take when I'm out traveling, but also the things that I make notes of, like audio notes or writing things down, because there really isn't room here on YouTube for me to do that. I don't want to inundate you with vlogs, and I certainly don't want to put vertical content on my YouTube channel because it destroys any watch time that I get on my normal videos here, the long form videos that you know and love. So I've started a Substack called The Tech Packer. You can find the link here and in the video description, as well as on the pinned comment below. Now I'm pretty excited about this because on my Substack you're going to find behind the scenes photos and short vertical videos of when I'm traveling around or just being me around Wellington. But you'll also hear other stories and audio podcasts and posts, short vlogs and notes that I'll be posting daily when I'm away traveling. It's a really great place for you to catch up if you like me and like this sort of content, and you just want little morsels of just knowing what it is that I'm up to, as well as the standard reviews, travel gear stuff here on the Tech Packer on YouTube. And I'll be posting lots there on my Substack on my trip to China, the UK and Portugal, starting in actually just a few days from now. Okay, the second thing up, you may have seen me post about this on my community post, but it's good to tell you here too. I now have an Amazon shop front. This is because I am in the Amazon influencer program, and I've been noticing that quite a few people have been buying products through my Amazon affiliate links. So I thought, why not make it easier for people to find me on Amazon and for you to click through to my Amazon storefront? And not only stuff that I've been recommending here on my channel, gear that I myself have personally used, but also stuff that I've seen reviews of and I think look really good. I'll also be posting daily deals on Amazon of products that I think are time limited and also a good deal. I've got lots of sections of the store, so you may want to check that out. And if you bought something from me via Amazon recently, thank you. Every little bit of commission helps, and it will hopefully add up to something meaningful one day. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about that. Both of them are free. The Tech Packer Substack does have a paid option as well, but it's really just a way for you to show support for me at the moment. Everything is free. So yeah, I would love to see you there. So please come along, say hello, and subscribe over at the Tech Packer on Substack. There's also a lot more room to chat, not just to me, but with each other. That's it. Quick channel update from me. Check out this video next from me, and I'll see you there.